how to check your Vodafone number in Ghana. They're now called Telecel. Okay, so in this video I'm going to show you step by step how to know your Telecel number. It is simple. All that you have to do is to just locate the call button just like this one and then click on it. On most phones you also have to click the number button, this one. Okay, so just simply click on the number button, and when you click on it, the keys will show just like this one, and all that you have to do is to simply dial the short code that I'm going to tell you. Okay, so what you have to do is to simply dial star. After clicking on the star, just click on 1 and then press on 2 and then click on 7 and then end it with the hashtag. Okay, and then press on it. So when you press on it, what you have to do is to select the same slot that the Vodafone is on. Mine is on slot 2, that is SIM 2. So just select it and then you will see your Vodafone number displayed just like this one. Okay, so to know your Vodafone number, all that you have to do is to simply dial the short code *127# and then simply press on the call key, and then your number will be displayed. It is as simple as ABC. So this is the only way to know your Vodafone number here in Ghana. Thank you for watching. Like the video and then see you in my next video.